How to make a donation form in Stripe quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a donation form in Stripe. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to stripe.com. Stripe is an online payment platform that allows you to send and receive payments. With Stripe, we can add online payments for our subscriptions, businesses, software platforms, marketplaces, and we can also create donation forms using Stripe really easily. So in order to get started, you have to go to stripe.com and then you need to sign up for an account. Click on sign in option right here. Then you're gonna click on sign up if you do not have an account, and it'll take you right here. Create your own account on Stripe. You have to enter your email address, then enter your full name, select your country, set up a password, click on I agree and create account. This way you will get your own account on Stripe. After the initial sign up or sign into your Stripe, this is where you will get. I have logged into my Stripe and this is what it looks like. You can see on Stripe, we have a lot of different options. We have payment, balances. We can connect our e-commerce platforms to receive payments. With Stripe, we can create our own payment landing pages to just share a link and receive money. Today, I'll show you how to create a donation form to receive donations with a link. So you will navigate to more right here. And then you're going to select on the payment link. This will allow us to create a landing page for payment, and it's going to be a donation form. Now you're going to click on new to create a brand new form. So you can see this is where we will be doing all the settings, and it will show us a preview right here. First of all, we have select type. So we have product and subscription, and then we have customers choose what to pay. The first option is for a simple landing page, and there's already a video on the channel of how to create a simple landing page for your simple payments for your e-commerce. And then we have customers choose what to pay. Best for tipping, donations, or pay what you want. So you need to select the second option, and that will convert your form into a donation form. So here we have our payment page. Now it's going to be a donation payment page. First of all, you're going to give your form a title, whatever cause you have. For example, I am collecting money for education, okay? So we can go with like education cause, or you can also add the name of your organization. Then you're going to enter some description here for your form, like what your customers are paying for, what people are paying for. So I'm going to go ahead and simply add some words here. Okay, so this is what the description says. This is our title right here, and then you can see this is our description. Now we have to select our currency for our donation form that we're creating on Stripe. So you can select any currency from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go for USD. Suggest a present amount or set limits. Now there are two options. Suggest a preset amount. What is a preset amount? For example, I can suggest to donate $100. So it will suggest people to donate 100. They can of course donate more than this or less than this, but this is going to be like a preset amount that I can suggest, or I can start from $10. Is that okay? You can start from $10, you can start from $100. And then we have set limits. Set limits mean that the minimum amount people can pay and the maximum. So the minimum amount I'm going for is going to be $10. Like you can pay as minimum as $10. And for maximum amount, I'm going to go for, let's go with $10,000. That's going to be the maximum. Then we have some advanced options right here. So in advanced options, we have pay as the call to action. Now, what is going to be the call to action? Like this button right here. It says pay, or we can change it to book or donate. I'm going to change it to donate. Now my call to action says donate. Allow business customers to provide tax IDs, collect customers' addresses, or require customers' phone number. So these are some additional settings that we can do with our donation form on Stripe. And you can add, like, for example, if you want them to provide their ID, if you want to collect their addresses or phone number. So for now, I'm going to leave this. Now there's another option that we have for the, let's say, for the display of the form, I would say, for the appearance, and it's to upload an image, and we can upload an image right here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on upload right here and select an image from our computer. So I have uploaded this image right here for the donation. Now you can see it's very easy. Just enter the title, description, currency. We have set the limits, and this is our preview. We have payment method given, then we have a country, we have our image, we have our cause right here, education cause, and we have like our limits. Then this is the payment page. This is the landing page for the donation. Then we have a confirmation page as well once the donation is done. Let's say that they donated $10, and this is what it will look like. And then we have like a confirmation page that says, thank you for your donation. A payment stripe will appear on your statement. If you want to replace the default with the custom message, like this is default, if you want to create a custom message, then you can go ahead and add it. For example, I can say, thank you for your donation for education cause, like whatever you want to add, and it will be added right here. You can see as I am customizing the text, it's giving us a preview. For now, I'm going to go with the default because I think default looks really good. You can see thanks for your donation. And confirmation page is, if you do not want to show a confirmation page, you also get this option, but I'm going to go with the confirmation page so that the people know that their payment has been confirmed. So you will click on show. We have our payment page, and I think you can see our donation form is ready, our landing page. Once you're done, you can get a preview on a desktop, and then we have a mobile preview. This is what it looks like. Click on create link and it will be created. We have our donation form ready. So now I can just copy this link and we can paste this link in a website. We can share this link via email or any other platform. And now your link is ready, and this is going to be a direct link for the donation form. You can see we have our details, we have our product. It's going to be educational cause, and this is the minimum and maximum amount. Scroll down for the payment method. So if you want to manage some payment methods that people will be paying with, you can of course set it here. You can see all of the payment methods are available. We have cards, wallets such as Alipay, WeChat Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay. Then we have bank redirects such as Ideal, and then we have third parties such as Affirm, Klarna. We have bank debits that we can turn on. So you can just turn on all of these options, and this is going to be your payment setting for your form. And once your form is ready, now you can also check the URL parameters. We have events, and all what is left is just copy it and paste your link in your website or share it with maybe your organization, wherever you want to accept the payments from, and you will be able to accept donations with Stripe. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.